to CR Nuts Motorsports. My name's Ken. I am glad you're here. Today we're going to do the video on glass installation for the 67 Mercury Cougar we call Bad Kitty. It was really not that difficult to do. And so I'll give you a quick overview of what happened, how we put it in. The rear windshield was bought used. It's a grade B from West Coast Classic Cougars. And it's not bad. I mean, it's got some scratches in it, but it's okay. And it was quite a bit less than a brand new one. Brand new ones are approximately $600. And I got this one for under $3. The windshield itself, brand new. I got that from a company up in Minnesota. I'll put the link below. But they specialize in hot rod, old cars, glass. It's very nice, very nice. Both were shipped in perfectly. They were packed, well secured. So putting them in really was not that bad. I watched a couple of videos, one from West Coast Classic Cougars, and the other I did from Joe Daddy's Garage. And I'll put the links for both of them below. But virtually the same, and both were very good, very accurate, and they tell you exactly what you need to do. So I'm not going to get into terrible details about it. I'll just give you a quick overview of what it did. Just changed the look of the car dramatically, and I like it. So anyway, sit back, relax. I'm glad you're here. If you like what you see, please give us a thumbs up, make a comment, and subscribe. It costs you nothing, and it does a world of good for us. So thank you very much.
We good? Yep. Gotta rake those in. Okay, up top. Go. Okay, handy.
Not bad at all. Okay. That's what I'm fixing.
I think we're golden.